Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Padlet. Stay tuned for the second video where it talks about the different types of posts you can use in Padlet. Okay, this area right here is what we call the dashboard, where you will find all of your Padlets. Also right here is where you can come to make a Padlet, join a Padlet, or use the gallery of Padlets. So we're going to click on make a Padlet, and it's going to give us the option of choosing how do we want our posts to appear. So you have these different looks for your Padlets. I'm going to select wall, and it's going to automatically create a design and a title for our Padlet, and you can easily modify that right here. I'm going to change that to practice. I have the opportunity to add a description, icon. This is where I will find my Padlet link if I want to copy that to the clipboard. I can change the appearance right here. And this is where I will go to have the posting features. If I want the artist's name to appear with the post, I will click right here. If I want to choose if the newest post to appear first, I can choose that, or I can have it appear last. If I want my students to comment on their post, which I think is great because it adds more to the collaboration, I would click that. You can also allow the students to react to the post by liking, voting, giving a star, or a grade. So you have great reactions to the post. You have the opportunity to moderate the post. So you want to click on that definitely so you can approve the post before they're shared. And you also want to make sure you filter for profanity. So when I click next, then I can immediately start posting. But before we get into that, I want you to see the different features. When you go to a Padlet, you can click the heart for like. When you want to make a copy of a Padlet, you can click remake, and you can copy that Padlet with the design and post, or the design only and the post separately. Here are your sharing options. You have these different options of sharing. When you're using it in the classroom, the best option is to share on Google Classroom. That way the students don't have to type in the website address and a code, or try to type in the link or copy the link. So right here, you would choose the class, just like you do with any other time that you're sharing to Google Classroom. And then you have the opportunity to choose how do you want to post it. So that's how you would share it with Google Classroom. Very simple, just like any assignment. Here are your other exporting features right here. When you click on the gear shift icon, it takes you back to the modification page that we saw at the very beginning. So if you want to change anything, you can do that. With the three dots right here, you have those features that we see at the top of the Padlet. Also, you have the opportunity to share again, export, print. You have the modifying feature. You can go back and change the format. So if you don't want it to be the grid view or the wall view, you can change how it looks. You can clear, post, archive, or delete this Padlet. When you click on your profile picture, you have all your account information, and this is also where you log out. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus symbol, and by clicking on that, I have created a post. I can give it a title, and then I can write something. Try Padlet. Then we also have these other features right here where you can upload, you can give a link, you can give something from Google, you can take a snapshot of your camera. Then we have all of these other features right here. Once again, these are the same features that we saw right here. Link, Google, a picture from your camera. You can capture video, voice, your screen, you can draw, you can do a location, or you can link to another Padlet. So we're going to go into more details of all these options on the second video of the different posts in Padlet. So now we've created a Padlet and you've seen how you can post the Padlet. Stay tuned for the second video.